afternoon. I'm Walter Ridgely from Expat Auto Chiangmai, Thailand. I'm co-owner of this place with my son Elijah, and we have a special on right now, end of the year special. Actually, it's a birthday special. I'm going to be 70 the 15th of December. So in honor of that and just being in business here a while, we're going to cut 20,000 baht off the price of every car. We've never done that in our history, and we just want to do it. So anyway, I just want to tell you that we do have cars starting all the way from like this 2008 Nissan Tida. Really nice little car. 149,000. You take 20 off that, you can take that for 129,000. Super deal. Clean car, very good condition. All different kinds right now. Got a 2004 Chevrolet. This has got a turbo, 2.5 turbo diesel, 4-door truck. Very comfortable, very clean, new paint, very good condition. 205. What is that? 20 off is 185. Can't beat that anywhere. If you need a family car, we got the 7-seater Chevrolet Spin, 229. It's going to be 209,000. Can't beat these prices. And I'll just tell you too that used car prices are not looking to go down when they change the year here. It doesn't do like that. So it's a good time to buy. Got a really nice, beautiful little Suzuki sedan, 2016 for 259, and this is going to be 239. That'd be a great car for somebody. You want a lot newer car for good money? 2019 Suzuki Celerio, 60,000 kilometers. It's going to be selling after the price reduction for 239. This is the most fuel efficient car in Thailand, a gasoline powered car. Okay, just 1 second here. We got a 2014 Mitsubishi Lancer. This is a bigger, heavier road car, 1.8 engine, 117,000 K, 289. It's going to be 269. If you like a bigger, heavier kind of a road car, this is the ticket. Then I've got a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage, super low miles, 27,000 kilometers at 309. Again, what's 20 off that?
289.
289. Great deal. And here's another family car. This is a real jewel I picked up. It's got the 7-seat Suzuki Ertiga. It's only got 54,000 kilometers. 319, you're talking 299. So this is a great sale at the end of the year. Somebody buy your wife a Christmas present or have some fun. Thank you very much.